guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for what happened with this client was actually when we were done with her very first time ever doing eyelash extensions, she thought they looked way too natural. Okay, so a lot of times it is better and it's safer to go more natural for a client who's never had them before, because if they're not used to it, sometimes they think, oh my god, it's too dramatic, it's too much, and it's harder to remove them than add a few extra. Okay, I'll post a video of how I handled that situation and how I turned it into a hybrid look to give her a little bit fuller look and keep her happy. And yeah,
so what we did was actually finish the classic on one eye, and I showed her and she thought it looked way too natural. Okay, so she wanted it natural, but this was a little too natural for her because we had picked the 0.15. But to be safe, I wanted to start here because sometimes if you start too dramatic and it's harder to go the other way around and remove some to add thinner ones. Okay, so what I do to be safe, if it's somebody's first time, if they want really natural, I do the really natural look, and then I'll have them look when I'm done with one eye, and we'll add hybrids, or we'll add volume in between them or on top of them, since they are still really thin, to give it that more fuller, darker look. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do now. I'm gonna get maybe the 5D eyelashes in the same lengths, the 13 and the 11D curl, and add on some of her classic lashes to give it the more fuller look, and then have her look again to see if that's good or if she wants to add more. Okay, so that's what we'll do. That's a little good way to deal with new clients. Okay, so here we go. I'm just gonna add a few and have you look. So can you guys see I just added that 5D eyelash on one of those classic lashes to give it more like a 60, 70 look, and it's gonna create a hybrid look overall by adding some of these volume fans in there.